everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics. We're now going to go for a ride in our 1974 Pontiac Firebird. Not a Trans Am, but it's more like the half-sister of the Trans Am. This one we got here has a beautiful red exterior, 2 hood scoops. We got a nice, very nice restored tan interior, tilt wheel, 4-speed manual, as I said before. This car was a original AC car, however it's still missing a few components which you can restore to the original 134A or deciding a vintage air. But as we're going up the road now, shifting in all 3 forward gears here, she can do just as good as the Bandit car if I do say so myself. Besides that, it has a very good 400 cubic inch engine underneath the hood. It is painted the correct Pontiac blue. And yeah, there's pretty good features to this car, which you'll see in the write-up. But anyway, we're going to get her turned around, put her on the lift, let you all take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.